So, ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa town. Kasama ko ang aking pamangkin, Liam. And si Steph. Ayan, dito kami sa town. Hello to Hi! Liam! Hi ka muna! Ayan, ito yung town dito. Malapit lang kami. Walking.
Picture ako siya.
Wow!
Sis kayo.
Hi, Bluey! Ay! Taga saan ka, ate? Ganda ng boses mo.
Lasting.
From Dubai.
This one, look. That's the Dubai one, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good and it's
Nauso
long
talaga yun
lasting.
nasa Dubai.
This one smells like Tom Ford,
Ito mabango.
but you're actually buying Marcos.
Yeah.
It's a smell alike. Yeah, £99.50 normally.
Bango.
Have a look
Bakit
now.
to?
That one's Tom Ford, real nice.
Bango.
These ones.
Pinapost nila yung
Look at these. Look at these.
Millionaire, that's really.
Lacoste.
Yeah, oh
These are
yeah.
baklava Iranian.
Try
All is
natin.
from Greece.
Yeah,
Turkish delight from Turkey.
Ah, Turkish delight. Oh, yun yung Turkish delights. Oh.
So sweet.
Can I try? What is this one?
Cigarette with chocolate. Hazelnut chocolate.
Tamis. Poundland. Ilang araw na akong hindi nagtututbrush eh. Charis! This is my favorite shortbread. Cappuccino.
Say something.
Ang saya, may araw. Pero malamig pa rin. Ilang araw pa lang ako sa UK. Oh, shoota. Sige, bili. Natatakki na ako. Out of order. Shoota. Merienda time. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, dance na ulit.
What's sa'yo ngayon?
Thai food. Sarap.
Samuel.
No? Kasi mo, yung ano, ayaw mong carrots? Yung carrots, no? Vegan, it's carrots. It's a good
So you've always got your crystal? With your crystal bears?
Comeback kami dito. Mag-fake nails na lang tayo pag natanggal ang nails. Ang Pamparjud. Maybelline Superstay. Yan, tatlo binili na yan.
Ano kaya ito?
Okay na yan. Di na
3-0?
uso. Oo, carry na yan.
Darker, no? Mas darker.
Oo.
Tapos ito.
Maybelline. Gusto ko to. Pang Arjud. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much. Next, dito kami sa Tesco.
Oh, akin na. Ikaw na magbayad. Isa lang?
Okay na isa.
Payment accepted. Thanks for shopping at Tesco.
Kasi yung manipis talaga kinuha mo ah. Wait. Ito muna. Alanganin. So, akin na nga yun sa alanganin. Liam! Done shopping and grocery.